If you need help with your Prezi account or you're stuck on something inside the platform, the fastest way to get assistance is by contacting Prezi support. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to reach the Prezi support center step by step so you can get answers quickly without wasting time searching through menus. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's start inside the Prezi dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a question mark icon there, and that icon is your shortcut to help and support. Go ahead and click it. After you click the question mark icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Prezi Support Center. Select that option to open the support page. A new tab will open in your browser, and this is where you can get help from Prezi directly. From here, you have a couple of options. You can type your issue into the search or question box if you want to ask something specific, or you can browse through the different support topics listed below to find the answer that matches your problem. This is really useful if you need help with billing, account access, presentation features, or troubleshooting a problem inside Prezi. The support center is designed to help you find answers faster, and in many cases, you may be able to solve the issue yourself without waiting for a response. So just to recap, go to your Prezi dashboard, click the question mark icon in the top right, choose Prezi Support Center from the drop-down, and then either ask a question or explore the support topics available. I hope this video made it easy to contact Prezi support. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, walkthroughs, and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.